Halo, sorry Kak. Outfitnya bagus banget hari ini, lucu banget. Can I take you a photo? Sure.
Okay.
Very what's your name?
Lava.
Fieri. Very nice to meet you. You just arrived or?
Yeah, just like 10 minutes ago.
You wanna chill first?
We can go. It's fine, I can drink on the way.
Okay, sure. I think we can start around here dulu deh. Ntar baru kita ke Blok M ya. Oke, let's go.
Okay.
Start di sini deh, coba deh.
Okay.
Di depan bunganya aja gitu kayak, ya, nice. Oke, cool. Oke, let's go.
Okay.
Ntar jalan dulu deh. Di deretan sini ada yang bagus sih alley-nya nanti.
Okay. I
Yeah.
can walk, don't worry.
You pakai heels gak itu?
It's fine.
Really?
I'm trained. I always wear heels and wear boots.
Why?
My height, Benny. Look at my height.
My bad, my bad.
My boots already off.
My
Look at
bad.
my height now.
My bad.
Please.
Just joking, I'm just
Yeah.
joking. I want to try new concept juga sambil vlogging gitu.
It looks cool. Oh my god, the camera is so cute.
Really?
It's so small. Hi.
It's like a GoPro.
What's the difference then? Yang ini lebih jernih ya?
I prefer Insta360 sih because the low light is amazing and then yeah the flip screen and also the mic is quite good, quite okay.
Udah ada mic-nya juga.
Oh iya udah ada kecil tapi bagus sih lumayan surprisingly ya buat kamera vlog gitu. I think we can try di sini graffiti gitu.
Okay, cool.
You know high angle like this.
Is that allowed?
Nggak apa-apa sih bebas sih. No sini aja.
Okay.
Ya aman. Sambil juga ya kayak ya boleh. Ya nice. Agak wide dikit, full body ya coba geser sini dikit. Tadi yang dari atas sih cute sih.
Ooh, looks nice. Alright.
This like your signature pose.
Yeah, it is. There's always a hand on my face.
What's the backstory of that?
I don't know. It hides my chubbiness in a way. Lagi kayak wear rings a lot kan, jadi.
Jadi orang salfoknya ke ini.
Sampai ke cincin bukan ke this
Ya, I get it.
round face gitu loh.
Belakang lagi, coba deh.
Okay.
Ah, gila keringetan parah.
Iya, it's quite hard for
Bro.
fan if you want.
No, enggak. It's okay. Sini bagus nih. Boleh sini yuk. Sambil sender atau sambil lihat di post coba.
Like
Oh, dia
this?
mau digituin.
Or like this.
Ah, gitu bagus sih.
Okay.
Yeah, that's nice, better. One more, bit closer. Crazy, wow.
I'm sure you don't want a fan.
I don't think I can use it too, like kamu begini gitu.
Yes, it would be great. Let me just face, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice, right?
It's nice. Oh, how much is this? I think I need to buy.
It's not that expensive sih. Gak nyampe 300.
I think
Right?
I'll find this, but the black one.
I think this one is more eye catching.
Yeah, exactly though.
Wait, we can put it like right here and then
Bisa. Oh, lucu banget.
it can point it to you.
Oh, wow.
Right?
Oke. Bentar, lightingnya bagus nih. Let's try di tengah-tengah coba. Kotor nggak? Oke, one more. Pose-nya aku suka tapi background-nya ganggu sih. We'll try to find another background.
Okay.
Sini tadi bagus, udah dapet.
Ooh, oh yeah. Okay.
Ini your pose cute tapi background-nya
Yeah.
very
oh,
distracting.
No. So is it like recording 24/7?
Was it
The
24/7? No.
is it recording like?
Oh,
Awake.
iya, sekarang sih masih dari tadi. Mau jalan? Sama lagi deh.
Do we go there?
Ya, I think di sana nanti duduk dulu, ngadem dulu.
Okay. Alright. Oh my god.
Heaven.
Ya kan?
Ya, berguna banget sih ternyata sih.
Right.
Jadi kalau inspiration outfit gitu dari mana sih biasanya?
Pinterest sih kebanyakan.
Pinterest ya?
Iya, sama Instagram. Like, my second account, the Jill Lama, itu tuh I dedicated like fully for like the fashion thingy. Jadi kayak Reelsnya tuh udah penuh sama kayak fashion girly gitu.
Iya sih, yes. Agak beda sama yang
Oh
satu
iya,
lagi ya.
yang satunya tuh pure stream, pure game, pure rage.
Pure Rage.
Pure rage.
Tapi boleh nggak cerita, how can you become the streamer of PaperX? Kayak content creator of PaperX gitu.
Yes, I don't even know.
Really?
Yeah, I still can't believe it. Even until now, kayak bahkan beberapa minggu yang lalu tuh on stream, I said to my viewers, bro, I still can't believe that I'm Paper Access content creator. Like I don't even know how I got here. Tapi kayak
Wow.
very very grateful. Karena I've been a fan for Paper X since a long time. So it's like a dream come true.
Kayak you joinnya kapan sih berarti kayak 2 years ago atau?
No, it hasn't been a year even. Kayaknya gue join
Oh,
July deh.
really?
July last year.
Kelipan keringat.
It is very,
Oh
very hot.
my gosh.
It's been very, very hot.
Pasti
Even my
bisa.
air conditioner doesn't work anymore.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't work anymore. Gue kira rusak kan, terus gue panggil tukang AC. Terus abang AC bilang, nggak ada yang rusak sih kak, tapi emang panas aja sih akhir-akhir. Terus gue kayak, ya bener sih sebenarnya.
Freonnya kali, freon nggak?
Enggak
juga?
Nggak bocor, nggak
What?
kotor.
Oh, that's crazy. Jakarta
Yes.
hits, not for newbie.
It's not for the weak.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not for the weak.
Duh, udah terlalu banyak spot yang gue foto actually di Blok M. Jadi kayak, sini lagi masa, sini lagi. Tapi nggak apa-apa,
Ferry
sebenarnya
si
sini bagus.
penjelajah Blok M.
Yes. Sini deh mau nggak?
Oke.
Tapi udah pernah, nggak apa-apa lah. Sambil duduk di sini, do your cute pose here. Oke.
I'm so sorry.
Nah, it's okay. Terus sambil minum, ngesip coba. Ya, sambil nyender deh, coba boleh. Nice. Yes.
Cute. That looks
cute.
so small. Why do I look so small? This world is not fair.
Yeah, you look so small ya.
Alright.
No. Just joking. I'm just rage in real life now. Tapi offended gak sih kalau kayak ada joking gitu-gitu?
No, not really. I've accepted it. There's this one funny story about like how I've accepted my height. Gue suka kayak ke bazar fashion.
Oh,
gitu kan.
okay.
Baggy jeans has been very, very trending.
Ya.
So gue ngeliat ada nih toko yang ngejual celana baggy yang bagus banget. Gue lihat, gue ambil. Itu ada 2 penjaga di sana. I was fitting up, right? Gue ambil celananya segini gue. The whole store left. Dua penjaganya, two the girls left as well. Why is it this big? Celana, Biri. It's the pants. It could be my dress.
Wow, that's crazy.
I can't.
Oh, makanya pakai shorts sekarang, pakai skirts ya.
Yeah, this could give it somewhat of an illusion that I'm not that small, but it doesn't really work apparently.
Yuk, let's go.
Okay.
Let me help you.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. You pernah try ini nggak? My friend said dia ngantri kayak 5 hours.
5 hours.
Crazy.
Straight from a lunch to dinner.
Exactly. Tapi dia ngantrinya sampai taruh nomor dulu kan, terus dia muter-muter baru dipanggil, baru itu crazy. The question, have you ever like ketemu sama Paper X team gitu?
No, I haven't.
Oh belum, XPCT?
Hopefully. Gitu
Next
kayaknya mungkin gue
VCT.
bakal starstruck.
Gila sih.
I'd be so nervous.
Kemarin gue nonton yang RX versus apa yang terakhir tuh?
Nongshim.
Nongshim.
Oh, we don't talk about that. We don't talk about that.
Abis ngeliat Something versus The Furia, abis itu lawan itu, wah
It is so insane.
gila sih.
Gue
Gila
bahkan
sih.
I can't even react anymore when I watch it.
Ya makanya gue liat lu.
I don't have any reaction. I just smile at the camera and I'm like,
Ini lucu sih.
here?
Iya ada telur-teloran.
Oh,
Kayak brand activation deh.
that is so unique.
Ini sender aja terus ayam ambil flat lay gitu apa
Okay.
sih? OOTD. Oke, nice. Maju dikit boleh?
Should I wear it again?
Sure. Sambil kayak di shoulder, karena I ambil wide gitu coba. Yang you comfortable aja kayak, jadi kayak, ya tuh bagus tuh. Kayak tasnya di sling aja.
Sling aja?
Mhm.
Okay.
Terus kayak pose-nya sama kayak tadi, karena tasnya tadi distracting kayak
Oh, oke.
gelantung jatuh gitu. Nice. Oke, cute. And nice.
Ooh, cute. Oh, cute.
Juga nice. Oh, ini rambutnya bagus sih ini, nutupin bangs-nya gitu.
Okay, slay.
Nah, ini kan kayak gantung kepotong gitu.
I see. Slay.
Ya, ini street style banget sih.
Ooh, oh, I like that one. Slay.
Selfie dulu.
What camera is that?
Sony.
Sony apa?
A7 III, the old one. Better. My face is so big.
No, it's
Wow.
not. I mean, you're like in front of me. See?
Oke lah. Last spot ada di sana sih sebenarnya. Kayak
Okay.
my go-to spot gitu. It's like in that corner gitu. Wah, half an hour already.
Oh ya?
Ya,
So fast.
makanya. This is my go-to spot. Cuman kemarin gue ngambil sini. Kayaknya gue mau ambil sini coba.
Okay.
Telur itu lagi dong.
Oh my god, it's everywhere.
Iya.
It is everywhere. Okay.
Di sini agak ekstrim aja gayanya kayak ke depan-depan tangannya atau gimana?
Oke.
Si agak samping ya, boleh. Ya, boleh agak sikut tapi maju dikit sikut yuk. Ya, jadi kayak agak dikit foreground. Oke, one more full body ya. Boleh coba di sini.
Ooh, okay.
Ya ketutupan dikit lah, oke lah.
Yeah, boleh lah. Nobody's gonna see the feet.
Yeah, exactly. Kayak selfie di sini lebih bagus deh.
Kan posternya juga banyak.
Iya, iya. Kenapa ada bias you?
Enggak sih. Ada juga chewy cookie.
Oh.
Terus gue kayak what the hell since when?
Selfie dulu, abis itu biar kecil. Di sini lucu sih sebenarnya.
Sekalian.
Udah nyampe sini ya kan? Much better. Wow. Okay, cute, nice.
More?
No, done.
Done?
Done.
Amazing.
This one is perfect, I think. Ya emang spotnya nggak bisa bohong sih.
Iya sih. Emang udah.
You wanna add some pose?
Can we do like a high angle?
Yeah, sure. Nice. Okay.
Okay.
I think I need some drink now.
Okay. Okay.
Like, do you want to drink something else? You want minum
What
apa?
are the options?
Coffee? Do you drink coffee?
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
I
ya?
love coffee.
Oh, yeah. Really?
Yes.
Oke. Seru nih. Coba dulu deh. Coba.
We need cold drinks.
Yeah, we need cold drinks for sure. Menarik.
Side quest inside a side quest.
Oke, challenge. You tunjuk orangnya. Nanti I approach.
Okay. This is so fun. Okay, wait. Semoga mereka mau ya.
Pasti mau. Sombong nih.
Tuh, biasanya tuh kalau udah ngomong kayak gitu tuh gak ada orang
Iya,
yang lucu.
biasanya gitu.
Man, gue masih lagi hunting mencari potential. Gue cari yang fashionnya gue suka. Ada.
Oh shit.
Kita men-challenge introvert yang satu ini yang pakai topi.
Itu gitu, sama cowoknya weh.
Nah, foto berdua. Biar kenang-kenangan, they wouldn't say no. They would say yes.
You sneaky. I never approach a couple that is dating kayak lagi nge-chill berdua gitu.
Oh ya? Good luck. You can do this. Ganti lensa.
Ngambil lensa dulu biar
Ganti lensa dulu.
Ntar gue mundur nyebur, nggak bisa.
Oh gitu.
Iya.
Oh gitu.
Alasan dulu.
Boleh. Alasan yang bagus.
Kak, sorry, aku lihat kakak outfitnya lucu banget berdua. Aku boleh fotoin nggak? Buat kenangan-kenangan aja gitu. Ya udah boleh, dempetan aja. Kakaknya boleh deketan gitu, coba. Ya sambil. Oh iya dong, ntar sambil rangkulan nyaman nggak? Ya boleh gitu. Kakaknya ya santai aja, jadi kayak ya gitu. Smile dikit, oke nice. Kakaknya smile juga dong, masnya. Ya nice. Sekali lagi deh agak dari samping dikit gitu coba. Ya gitu. Kakak tangannya boleh di sini aja. Ya santai aja santai. 1, 2.
Lucu.
Aku minta IG masnya dong, ntar aku kirimin fotonya. BTW aku sambil record, ntar aku post buat konten boleh ya? Boleh ya? Salfok banget sama outfit kakaknya soalnya. Topinya beli di mana kak itu?
Kalau ini thrift.
Oh thrifting. Di mana Blok M?
Senen.
Oh Senen. Bagus banget. Kasih apa? Sorry. Bagus kok sekali.
Itu nih aja.
Oke, Mas Bagus. Rini. Salam kenal ya. Thierry. Ntar aku kirimin fotonya. Thank you ya. Yuk, thank you. Lucu sih.
Oh my god, right?
Cute, awkward couple ya. Dia kayak gitu. Lucu kan?
Good job.
Challenge me another more now.
Ketagihan, you guys addicted now.
Yes. Kita kalau unblock coba.
Oke.
Ya abis di challenge sama Lava buat approach stranger while I'm approaching her as a stranger.
Double the adrenaline.
Double adrenaline, exactly. I'm strolling with stranger while approaching stranger. I don't know man, maybe it's some extrovert thing.
Maybe it is.
Emang gitu kayak lagi jalan gimana gitu, enggak juga kan?
Enggak juga sih.
Enggak juga sih.
Tapi kayak I felt like interaction with strangers before. Oh my god. Take their picture. Go, you can do this. I create a song for you. You can do this, you can do this, you can do this.
Belum 5 menit weh.
Udah?
I need to breathe. I need to breathe. Lucu sih tapi si outfitnya sih.
Right.
Kayak apa?
Terus kayak
Indie.
posisi duduknya tuh udah pas gitu
Iya,
loh di
bener.
edge.
Oh udah ada temen.
Nambah.
Bro, that's even more draining.
No, it's not. Good luck, you can do this. Do this. Believe it, you can do this.
I think I'm gonna make it as a YouTube video, exactly.
It won't even be a short anymore. It's not short.
It's not short
It's not
anymore.
short.
Lu di sana jelek. Gua bawa ke sini kali.
Do you want me to help you?
No. I don't need help.
Good.
Good.
Good luck.
Baru nyalain rokok deh, pasti kayak, aduh kak sorry.
The worst they could say is no.
You're right. Kak sorry, aku salfok banget sama outfit kakak-kakaknya. Aku boleh fotoin nggak?
Untuk apa?
Buat Instagram sih, buat konten. Kebetulan aku emang Instagram content creator gitu. I like to photograph stranger with nice outfit.
Oke.
Boleh di daun-daun aja sih.
Oke.
Deket aja sini aja. Inspire-nya apa nih kak? Kayak indie gitu.
Ini yang ada di closet aku aja sih kak. Akan pakai baju ini hari ini aja. I don't have any inspiration.
Oke, lucu banget sih. Di under the lampion sambil kayak mungkin swing gitu. Atau enggak gaya kakak gimana kayak?
Gini aja sih.
Ya boleh. Oke, nice. 1, 2. Senyamannya aja. Tadi gini lucu sambil gitu. Cute. Oke, ini hasilnya. Ntar aku kirimin kakak. Aku minta IG-nya sekalian dong.
Oke.
Kak siapa namanya? Vivian. Betul aku sambil rekam. Ntar aku post buat interaction-nya kita boleh ya?
Oh, oke. Ya, oke.
Oke, cool. Thank you so much. Tired now. Raining, you know.
Well, you got two.
2 more contents though.
Including me.
Yeah. 2 more contents, yeah. That's an evil laugh, you know. That sounds so evil.
Interacting with human is good for you.
Actually, yes. That's why I started this series. You know?
Right?
Okay,
Especially
it's
like interacting with strangers, like
yeah.
how different they are.
That's the thing. It's too much AI in this world now.
We need realness.
Gue nggak jadi fotoin lu dong. Tadi pikir mau fotoin dia di Taman Literasi sama di daerah Tan M Block. Gue malah hunting stranger lain.
That's better.
Well ya sih.
That's better.
Iya sih. Di dalam kali. Di tempatnya Recreate Indahkus.
Oh yeah?
Ya. I take her here. Itu ketemu random banget di sini sama Kak Indahkus. Jadi aku langsung foto-foto ini di sini. Yeah, such a coincidence. Wow.
Mau dong nomornya ada nggak?
No, I don't ask for the number. Here?
Here?
Kemarin kan di sini, kita coba pindah ke daerah sana coba. Sini udah bosen. Wih, ada yang foto-foto di situ. Tempat gua tuh. Nah, just kidding. Copyrighted. Kita coba di balik sini. Actually, gua kebayang kayak you duduk di warna merah-merahnya gitu ya.
Knew it.
Yes.
Here?
Ya, duduk dulu coba. Panas, aman?
Oh, I could. Okay.
Aman? I'll make your leg long.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
Back you kayaknya di samping you aja deh.
The hair is not working.
Hearing.
The hair is not hearing.
Kaki kanannya boleh naik? Yes.
Okay. Can we do like a high angle with this?
Sure. Okay, nice. 1, 2. Nice.
Yes,
Ini lucu sih. This one nice.
High angle is my favorite. Me and my high angle.
Nice. Tahan coba. 1, 2. One more. Deketan dikit. Tapi ini kurang interesting karena belakangnya flat aja.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh. You need to plan?
No need. It's just my keringat. Boleh deh tempatnya indah aku sih. Oke, terakhir gue bakal fotoin lava di tempatnya Kak Indah waktu itu. Let's see kita bisa dapat kayak gimana.
Masih cukup terang.
Bisa dong. You sebelum nge-pick gitu lu juga sih. Jiggle pick.
I can't
Sorry for my
believe this
humor.
is real life.
Sorry for my humor.
I can't believe this is real life.
Bro, jiggle pick in real life.
Jiggle pick apa?
Sini lagi, jangan sini ntar. Apa ya?
That's too iconic already.
I know right. Sambil duduk deh, ya sambil sender sana deh. Tajam dikit. Tajam dikit. Like ada AC. Ya, di depan aja deh. Ada AC. Depan.
Oke.
BTW ini padel, boy.
Dulu kan harus ini.
Apa?
Museum.
Sini museum. I don't really know juga. Tiba-tiba padel. It's more profitable though. Ya, let's try here. Tahan, jangan dibawa pulang.
Gimana?
Di tengah aja.
From here?
Yes.
Okay. Here.
Yeah. Let's recreate.
Kayaknya nggak bakal se-snatch Indahkus sih.
Enggak lah. Still nice.
Ke depan. Kasian.
Agak twist sedikit badannya ke sini. Ya. Boleh lihat ke sini dikit?
So small. Gue nggak mau makan kucing lagi.
Roti buaya.
Kucing makan buaya gitu ya?
Seroti loh.
Kenapa nggak di Indomaret sih di sini?
Tapi nggak ada.
I would give you my soul if I could.
Bro.
Look at it, so cute. Okay, where else?
Bro jika picking 5 stack.
It's called a friendship key.
Oh, lucu banget. Oh, lagi.
It's so small.
What an interaction.
Gak ada makanan. Colong makanan kali ya?
Tidak colong dong, don't. Gak gitu konsepnya.
Meow if you like paper X.
Bro.
Again. Meow if you like paper X. Thank you.
Sisi. Aduh, jatuh. Anything for content, you know? Anything for content. 5-minute interacting with cats.
Yeah.
That's insane.
That's me whenever I touch grass. I don't have any whiskas.
Tuh, dia suka buaya. Herbai.
I think you're the one that wants the roti buaya.
No, nggak sih, yes. Dia mau.
Apa iya dia mau ya?
Mau dia. You mau feed?
You actually want it? Emang ada?
Ada yang polos.
Buaya darat juga kosong.
Yang ada tadi apa?
Buaya polos ada, cuman yang 15.000.
Let's see. Kucing Blok M mau makan abon atau enggak?
Demi kucing. Anything for kucing.
Anything for cats.
Anything for cats.
Hilang lagi kucingnya. Don't tell me what it's.
It will show up eventually when you bring up the buaya. Let's find the cat. Meanwhile, sembari Lava lagi pesen, kita cari kucingnya mana? Yeah.
Maaf.
Makasih.
Oke, makasih.
Okay, you got a crocodile. Let's find the cat.
Let's feed a street cat a crocodile. You know what? I think the cat is part of the marketing.
Therefore
I think
you-
we just got scammed.
Iya lo, hilang lo.
It's gone. Anyone want a crocodile bread? It's shaped like a crocodile. It's
Iya lo, bener-bener hilang lo.
marketing. Marketing sekarang.
Hebat.
You train a cat.
They're trying to cat.
Obvious. I'm gonna feed this to
Another
any
stray cat.
that we can find.
Sure.
Tiba-tiba nggak ada stray cat sama sekali.
Oke, kita balik ke depan lagi. This time bukan photoshoot, tapi nyari stray cat buat Lava to feed the crocodile bread.
I don't know what this content is heading to.
I don't even know. Ntar gue ngeditnya headache.
Is this your longest interaction with a stranger?
I think so. Yeah, I think so. It's been the longest. So, kita bakal photoshoot di sini sambil Lava eating the roti buaya because she cannot find any cat.
Enggak.
Yeah, you cannot find any cat, so you can eat it unless it's mubazir, you know.
It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that.
Jadi deh, last di tiang-tiangnya you sender.
Okay.
Tiang-tiangnya sender, habis itu ya I ambil wine.
Can you help me hold my roti buaya?
Bro, wait.
We're gonna blame the street cat for this. Is it possible? We can just like put it here.
No, nggak apa-apa, bisa. Di tiang-tiangnya aja sambil senderan, ya, like that.
Okay.
Like that. Jangan. Kalau you di depan lampunya bisa nggak? So like daripada di sini tapi di sini, susah ya?
I don't think I'm tall enough for that. I don't think
Nggak kayak
I'm tall.
dimaju dikit ya, ya.
Here,
Gitu.
okay. Okay.
Okay, nice. 1, 2.
Oh my god. Kok terang banget? Kok
Iya
kayak
dong.
siang?
It's magic.
What? How can you remove
What?
that?
I use you as a blocker.
Smart,
Kan ketutup.
Ih, kayak siang loh, sumpah kayak siang.
Oke lah.
Oh my god, kayak siang. That's really nice.
Now try to eat roti buaya.
Oh, I'm sad. I cannot feed a cat today.
How to even open it?
I don't know. Oke, ini kebalik
It's cute
nih.
though. Oh iya, di bawah.
Look at the feet. Oh my god. It's a baby crocodile. Kira gue gak tega deh makannya. Try. It's quite nice sebenarnya sih. Kayak rotinya tuh wangi.
Yeah.
For a bread,
6, 7.
I can't believe. That's what you get. That's what you get for joking about 6'7".
Actually enak juga lumayan. And how's taste?
It's good for a bread. Please don't say 6'7" again.
Nah, I don't want to choke anymore. Okay, thank you so much Lava for joining the photo shoot.
Thank you for taking a picture of me.
Sure. Thank you so much for feeding me the crocodile bread.
Please don't make the 6'7" jokes again. I'm traumatized.
Bro. Oke guys, bagi kalian yang suka kontennya, boleh like, follow, and subscribe for more content. Follow juga Lava. Kalau kalian suka main Valorant, boleh join her stream.
I read, and I yell, and I scream. That's about it. Thank you.
And the 6'7", you know.
I'm leaving you, bye. I'm going home.